Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Phaktinan Ninurak.
My name is Paulus Suban.
And my name is Kamunawin Sengtong.
We are from Princess Ubunrat Ratchakanya College, Phatthalung, Thailand. Today we will be sharing with you about the research of the food and feeding habits of Arius Maculatus from the local fishery communities in Phatthalung province. Please sit back and we of you enjoy our presentation. Introduction. From the preliminary survey, it was found that the Arius Maculatus is an important product from local fishing in the area, and they are widely sourced in force and style the fishing community. Arius Maculatus is therefore an important fish that can generate income for local fishermen who live in the area, and will therefore the study of the food and feeding habits of the Arius Maculatus. Therefore, it is important to be able to identify the frequency and variety of the each natural food, like to this variety. The data obtained from this study can be used to assess the abundance of important aquatic forests in Songkhla Lake, and can be like to characteristic of habitats of just natural foods which operated the sustainability of local fishing operation that creates self-generated income for others living around Songkhla Lake. Research question. First, water quality at Songkhla Lake, Phatthalung province are each area the sum of different. Second, the food composition in the stomachs of Arius Maculatus from the local fishery community around Songkhla Lake, Phatthalung province are each area the same or different. Research hypothesis. First, water quality at Songkhla Lake, Phatthalung province each area is no different. Second, the food composition in the stomach of Arius Maculatus from the local fishery community area Songkhla Lake, Phatthalung province each area differ depending on the area. Material and methods to study area and stumping site. First, Phatthalung Canal, Phatthalung Canal. Second, Lampam Lake. Third, Banjongge. Fourth, Payun Bay.
Water sample collection and water quality analysis. Setting up a site where the fishermen place the fish netting. Site 100 by 100 square meter. Sampling 5 points by using the sample cylinder to correct our tree depths. Surface 30 cm, middle depth 100 cm, and overing in water. We study and parameter as follow. Fish collection. Fishes were collected from 4 stations during the daytime by using fishing nets. Then Lamberley selected 100 fish per session. Ambulatory frozen fish before burying is back to study at the laboratory. Biology of Arius Maculatus. Firstly, gender difference of Arius Maculatus. Second, length and weight relationship. According to this slide, stomach content analysis. Data analysis. The water quality is the maximum and standard leisure. The study of relationships between length and weight of Arius Maculatus by analyzing the Pearson products. Moment correction corrects of this using HPLS program. The stomach contents were analysis using frequency of occurrence method.
Result and discussion. Part 1 Water quality. Part 2 Biology of Arius maculatus. Part 1 Transparency. The maximum of transparency is at Park Pra and the minimum is at Lampam. Temperature. The Lampam has the maximum temperature at the surface of water. The minimum temperature at the middle level is found at Banchongke. Then Park Pra has the maximum pH at the surface of water. The minimum pH at the overlying level is found at Park Yun. We found the maximum TDS as Park Yun of surface and the minimum TDS at the overlying level is found at Park Pra. We found the maximum EC as Park Yun of overlying and the minimum EC as the middle and overlying level is found as Park Pra. Then Park Pra has the maximum DO at the surface and middle of water. The minimum DO at the overlying level is found at Lampam. Part 2 Biology of Arius maculatus. 1. Gender differences of Arius maculatus. Extended reproductive organs. This slide. Internal reproductive organ. This slide. Relationships between stage length and weight of Arius maculatus from forestation. This slide. Food compositions and feeding habits of Arius maculatus. The frequency of food composition in the stomach is what found that the high-end food type found in our station was amphipods, the second most common trait of foods found at each station was Park Pra, Castopada, Park Yun found Chim, Lampam Lake and Banchongke the Chim. The same was found is insect. This slide. The food concentration in the stomach of Arius maculatus. Conclusion. 1. Water quality at Songkla Lake, Phatthalung province in its areas is different. 2. The food composition of Arius maculatus from local fishing community or around Songkla Lake, Phatthalung province is differs depending on the areas of residence. On behalf of Princess Ubonrat Rajkanya College Phatthalung, thank you to the committee for watching our presentation. Thank you very much.